Today, we're going to be looking at how to create a debouncing hook in React. If you don't know already, debouncing is the concept of restricting or limiting the number of times a function gets executed. Instead of calling a function right away, say at the click of a button or the stroke of a key, debouncing calls a function only after a set period of time. This time is set by using the native JavaScript method setTimeout. You might ask yourself, why would I want to debounce? Well, let's take for example, your database is queried every time a user enters a keystroke into a search input. This will create a lot of fetches to be made to your database in a very short amount of time. With debouncing, you could create a delay between when a keystroke is entered and a fetch to the database is made. If during that delay, the user enters another keystroke, the timer will reset and the waiting period will restart. As long as the user keeps typing before the waiting period ends, the timer will keep resetting and the fetch will not be made. Only after a user is done typing for the entire time of the set delay, only then will a query be made to the database. Let's see how to implement this in React. If you look at my code on the screen, useEffect takes in text as a dependency. This means every time the state of text changes, useEffect will trigger and create a timeout that sets debounced to the value of text after 500 milliseconds. If the state of text changes before that 500 milliseconds has passed, clear timeout will run so that when useEffect retriggers, it creates a new timeout, which will then try to set debounced to the new value of text after 500 milliseconds. As long as text keeps changing before 500 milliseconds has passed, the value of debounce will not update. Only when the set time has passed will debounce update to the new text value. Let's turn this logic into a custom hook so we can reuse it throughout our React application.